Okay, I've set up a rather large world in Cobalt. It's, as I recall, quite a bit. And I've just resed a cube. And I'm playing with it, and I've gotten a reference to it, a file reference, which means I can look at what the program itself is seeing. And I want to know where the cube is, so I type in self-translation, do it, and I get a vector, which tells me the location in the global coordinates. So I happen to know that if I type in translation colon and then a vector and then do it, I will place the vector, or I will place the cube where I told it to using the vector, which happens to be 0, 0, 0. Now, what if I want to move the cube? Okay, well, I don't quite remember how to move a cube, so I'm going to check the class browser once I figure out how to show it. And I open the class browser, which lets me see the various bits of code in the Cobalt and Squeak libraries. And now I'm going to do a search for T-frame, which you can't quite see. And there's T-frame. Now I'm going to scroll down for the animation category and find the one I'm looking for. Copy it. Paste it into the workspace area of the Explore window. Type in some relevant values. I'm going to move a vector direction, which is 0 up, 0 front, and 1 sideways. I'm going to move every 100 seconds, and I'm going to move 5 times. And whoops, it went off the screen. And there it is. Now I'm going to reset it, so it goes back to 0, 0, back up so we can see it at the same time, and play it again. And it goes in, I believe that's the Z direction. So now I'm going to adjust things, make it 0.1, try it again. Whoops! In Smalltalk, you must always have a 0 or other number preceding a floating point value before the decimal point. So as you see, it went a little smoother. Now I'm going to make it even smoother, and I'm going to run it again. And there it goes, moving slowly, but very smoothly. This is such a cool system, don't you think?